Hey, what's up, y'all? It's me, Brandon Spencer, aka B Spencer 28. So, if you guys, one of y'all know me, here's my new alarm system. It's a Viper 305V for my Pontiac Grand Am GT1, Grand Am GT1. I mean, this is my new two remotes. One the main one the spare one, just in case you get somebody if I get lost it or something. And here's the LED thing, or the whole thing. This one's right here. Here's more wires. Let's see. Here's a few wires for this one. This is my siren, so I really need one of those. So one of these feeds go try hit it or tap it, the alarm won't go off. My car gonna scare people off. So it's gonna be pretty loud. Yeah. I'll have one of my guys install it for me. Something cheaper, at least about $100. Almost up to $170 for the basic alarm system. I'm gonna bring to the shop and have them install it for me. That's all of it. I bought this off of eBay for $50. It was very quick. I ain't gonna lie. That's it. Move on to the next one. It's my Millsy Motorsports front engine mount. For my Grand Am, I'll try to get it upgrade more, have more feel to it, bit more feel to it, and I was gonna wait till Mike Miller have a powder coated for me on the plate, so I might as well send it to my house. So. Here's a polyurethane. Ooh, it's very hard too. I think it's Darwin. Yeah. See, it's energy suspension. This for this one. I think this is for that one. Let me see. See. It's go down to here, but. That's too small. I'll get one of my mechanic guys to do it for me, something cheaper. So I'll send you the link so you can check out the Millsy Motorsports. They have great stuff. I bought these guys from Millsy Motorsports, and I'll let you know. Let me know if you have any questions, comments. So here's a link down below. It's www.millsymotorsports.com. You can check them out. That's about it. So if you have any questions and comments, please like, comment, favorite, subscribe. More content. So this is Brandon Spencer signing out. Thank you. God bless. And also, I'll be doing more car walk around videos soon. Have a great day, y'all. Peace.